Hi everybody, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you a few things. Some I bought, some were given to me. And let's start with my favorite lipstick, the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks. Now, the one color, the absolute one color that was my absolute favorite, they discontinued. Oh, I'm just so annoyed. So I have some dupes of it, which I will show you. But the reason I'm telling you about this, my other favorite is Poet. This one was Driver, number 55, but my favorite pink is number 60. It's called Poet. Driver is more peachy and Poet is more pinky. These are on sale right now on Amazon for half off. Half off. $5 each. I bought 2 Poets and I just threw my old Poet out because it was very dry. But these are amazing, amazing. And this is a nice pinky color. And then I have liner on with it, but they last all day. They're the best. I had to tell you that. NYX is my favorite inexpensive pencil. I don't buy the expensive pencils because they go too fast. I am always going through lip and eye pencils really fast. There's 2 of them. The black. Okay, this is the retractable eyeliner. And then this is the Vivid Rich by NYX. Now, which one do you think is the waterproof? I don't know. I would think it was the Vivid, but no. When I read closer, waterproof, just the regular NYX professional makeup eye pencils. Wow, and I'm going to make a line. Okay. You can't see it. I'm going to make a line there. The one that's not waterproof, I'll put right under it. Okay. We'll let it dry a little and then I'll show you. But hold on. Now I forgot what I was talking to you about. Sorry. I put this by Hindayan. I got from Shein. And then first I put the Poet. Poet is a very, very nice warm pink, very pale warm pink, and you just need to put like a little liner. And I put Caramel Cream by LA Colors on the outside, just to give it a little definition. Otherwise, the lips go all over it. So, okay, let's see how this is. So the waterproof is on the top, and the regular one is on the bottom. So we're just going to take one swipe. Okay, so you see it's coming off on the bottom, but it's not moving. So the bottom is a regular, which is still good, and the top is the waterproof. But I didn't even know that there was a waterproof until I started really reading it. And okay, so what else did I want to show you? Oh, I have to show you something else that I have been using castor oil on my whole face every night. Every night. I start with my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and this is the only serum that you can put all over your face, on your eyes and on your eyelashes, and it helps your eyelashes grow. And this was the original one that I bought. It's too thick. It's like, ugh. It's so thick and disgusting. This is by Cliganic 100% pure and natural castor oil. It's just so sticky. I can't even get it off my fingers. But I found a great brand that is the only one that I buy. I have 3 of them right now. And it's by Aloe Vera. It spreads beautifully. Oh, there's nothing in this one. Okay. I've bought 2 or 3 different brands, and they're all too sticky. And this was the one that worked out so great. You could put it on in the morning or at night, but some nights all I do is put this on. It's an antibacterial also, 100% pure, cold pressed, and it's got to be by this company, Oliver. And I'll put the link down below for you. But let me show you. See how it runs? Almost watery. No sticky. I don't know how they do it, but that other one is way, way too sticky. I only saved it so I could show you, but I don't like it at all. What else? I'm out of breath because I went downstairs to get something, and then I came back and I feel out of breath. Oh, lots of things to show you. Videos coming up. I have a video of my granddaughter's wedding. I want to show you the 20 shawls and gowns that I bought on Shein. I will tell you all about it in another video. Okay, so let me show you. Contours Microcrystal Patch. Hexapeptide infused hyaluronic acid crystals. Ooh, can't wait to try that. This is a transforming shadow base. This is Botanical Lash and Brow. These are instructions. This is the Dermal Blade. Color Set, my favorite. Pencil for disguising any wrinkles. Any wrinkles. What's this? Ooh. Prep Pads. B5 Prep Pads. Exfoliate, resurface, cleanse, hydrate, brighten, and protect. Fabulous. And that is one more thing, and that is it. A case to put everything in. A cosmetic bag. Okay, we're going to open each one. Okay. Contours RX sent me a whole bunch of stuff. They let me pick out whatever I wanted. Last time I picked out the hooded eye patches because I don't need them. I sent them to one of my girlfriends. She was the one who told me about it. And so if I ever have any, I send it to her. I've also sent her knockoffs of it. And she can't use any of it. I've sent her 3 different knockoffs that I've seen online. I figured, what the heck? What the heck? You know, let's try it. And straight from her mouth, she said, I cannot use the knockoffs. The only one that works is Contours. So that's pretty good testament. I asked for the Color Set, the all-in-one pencil. It's long wear, crease proof, intensifies it, prime, highlight, brighten, contour, and conceal. And you see I've already have one. And then this is the new one. And see, now let's see. You see a vein there? Okay, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover the vein. You see? I'll cover this vein here. This vein here. You see? Now, this is where I use it. I use it right there, and sometimes the marionettes. But basically, I use it right there to give the illusion that it's not dented. It's a nice chunky pencil, and this is my absolute favorite. That's why I ordered it again. You see? And it spreads easy. So after I put it there, I just go like this. And you see? It's great. It brightens, it conceals, it primes. It's fabulous. Okay, then I got B5 Prep Pads. They exfoliate, resurface, cleanse, hydrate, brighten, and protect. And there comes, I think there's 30 in this box. Yeah, 30 pads. Opens up like that. And then I will open one for you. So you would take this and you would put it on your face after it's cleansed for the night. And then just resurface What else is it doing? Resurface, let's see. Before using, blah, blah, blah. Oh, or before you use the Lids by Design on your hooded eye. These exfoliate, resurface, cleanse, hydrate, brighten, and protect. So I use it like on my face and on my chest. And I'm using it to clean my hands now. Okay, that's another thing. Then they sent me this, a transforming eyeshadow base. Oh, I'll have to use this tomorrow. And it's nice. It's got a little color to it. I like when it covers the eyelid, but it's a milky formula. It's a transforming eyeshadow base. So you would put it on like that. I would let it sit for a moment. I would tap it. See, you have a little sheen and a little coverage, which is what you want. So that's another one. Then we have two more things. Okay, we have Lash and Brow Enhancer. Now, you just take it out, take the brush, and you put it on your eyelids like eyeliner, and you put it on your eyebrows. And I just started using it, so I can't testify that it's making anything grow yet. But I am using it. Also this is amazing. You get 4 packages in here. I used one already. It's a microcrystal patch. It plumps, hydrates, and softens. It nourishes, and this is the latest non-invasive way to increase collagen production and hydrate the skin. It's got hyaluronic acid and 8 hexapeptides. And it's got 300 crystals. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, I used it already. I used one the whole night. And they say you could leave it on for 2 hours if you want, or you could leave it on the whole night. So I left it on the whole night. Okay, you have to peel off the back. So very tiny nubs. You could kind of see it. You could feel it. Nothing that feels painful, but it feels like it's absorbing really good because it's poking. And it's a breakthrough in beauty science. It's a proprietary blend of performance. Hexapeptides, hyaluronic acid, and active ingredients improves elasticity and hydrates the skin while you sleep, giving you a daily radiant glow. Press it firmly into the skin. And it's recommended to keep on the patch at least 2 hours per use, 1 to 2 times a week, or for maximum effectiveness, apply the patch before going to bed and remove it in the morning. We do have some before and afters. It's really cool. That's what Contours sent me. Thank you, Contours. They just sent me this to review it, and I love Contours. It's like the second time I've gotten a whole bunch of stuff from them. They have the best hooded eye patches, the best concealed pencils, and the rest I'm trying now. So I love the company. They're really great. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, a beautiful day. And remember, you are beautiful and so special to me. Oh, and before we go, I want to thank all the commenters from my last video. Now, I'm going to read the names of the women, the beautiful women that have commented. So, thank you, Bonnie Lemon. Thank you, Double Blessing. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, Maureen Kenny. Thank you, Angela Jane Lomax. Thank you, Barbara Cosentino. Thank you, Jean Jacobs. Thank you, Diane Lee. Thank you, The Night Owl. And thank you, Laura Condone. I appreciate you ladies and all of you ladies that watch. And I wish you only the best. And prayers for my friend Rose, the over 70 makeup artist. She's had several falls in the past few months, past month, I think. And she's gotten some concussions, and now she split her shoulder open. Oh, pray for her. Okay, and I'm going to pray for you. So thank you so much. I love you all. Bye. Oh, and if you want a phone case like this, I'll put a link down below for it.